Hey there, welcome to Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. Here's all the cool places you can find me on social media. This is the Ipsy March 2020 Glam Bag. The theme Celebrate You, but we're actually celebrating them because it's their 100th Glam Bag. 100 of these bags. I have most of them, I believe. So, it's a high five on how far they've come and where they're going. There's a bonus product in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. And let's get the party started. So, hey, celebrate Ipsy. Aww. This bag is so adorable. It's leathery. Oh, it's got the little 100 on it. It's just so cute. Too bad I can't go out anywhere and look cute with it. Thank you, that quarantine life. Still going strong. So, anyway, products. We're going to go kind of out of order here so that there's some cohesion here. So we got the Luxie Beauty Periwinkle Pro Precision Tapered Brush, just for washes of color. It's a fluffy little brush. You get a little squish there, but it's good for applying powders, diffuse pigments. So then we have the Ofra Cosmetics Bronzer in Americano. Now, here's a little problem though. Whoop, it's not glued in all the way. Luckily, it's not crushed or anything. So it's supposed to be a 3-in-1 powder with a medium brown, which means it could end up dark on my face right now. So let's see. If I end up looking too dark, somebody might get this. We can diffuse it. I might end up, I hate when you get a bronzer that's too dark and then it looks like, I don't know, you're trying to make your skin look not the color it's supposed to be, like a Kardashian? Girls, you white, okay? Stop trying to look 20 shades darker than you are. I said it. I said what I said. Okay, so all over color, I don't know. It might be too dark for me. That's really bothering me. Might have to super glue that too. Then we have the Bubble Tea Face Mask Duo in Hibiscus and Acai Berry Tea and lemongrass and green tea. Couple sheet mask there. Okay, so it's like a 2-step mask. So what's that mean? Okay, so you're supposed to put it in your fridge, let it cool, and then you do, oh, it's, okay, each one's a, is this a 2-step? Oh, no, they're just sheet mask. Okay, I thought like one was like a bubble mask and then you put the sheet mask on, but apparently they're just both sheet mask that, whoop, there's 2 of them. Bonus! Okay, then we have Naked Cosmetics Pressed Pigment Eyeshadow in Mother Nature. So let's see what it is. It is, it's like a neutral shade. Let's see here. Now they said you can also make it an eye gloss if you put, and if I read it correctly, a little bit of Vaseline, which if you've seen any of my bedtime videos, you have seen me advocate putting Vaseline on your eyelids at night, just a thin coat, and sleeping with it. Yep. Da-la-la. Try the glossy lid trick by dabbing a bit of eye gloss or Vaseline right on top. If I had my Vaseline nearby, I would show you what that looks like, but I don't. Then we have Polaar Night Cream. It's a night cream that isn't thick and heavy. It's supposed to be very potent and encourages cell regeneration with boreal algae. Yes, algae on my face. And don't forget your neck. Do not forget your neck. I'm excited to try this. I wonder if it has that seal on it. Yes! Oh! Always. Always. Then finally, Tarte Quench Hydrating Primer, which it looks like they changed the packaging. I love this primer. It's lightweight. I especially like it when it's starting to get warm, which it is starting to do here. Primo box bag. I don't know if it's a box or a bag. It's a bag. A little Pearl Jam Easter egg there, if you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, that is the Ipsy March Glam Bag.